Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton here at WebTegrity in San Antonio, Texas, and it is another Monday Marketing Minute. Today I want to teach you how to make one of your posts highlighted at the top of your list. As you all know, most posts are listed chronologically, right? So the most recent that you've written is at the top, and they just kind of archive down. But what if there's one in the back or one in the archive list that you'd like to bring back to the top and highlight or make sticky? That's the word that WordPress uses. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So a quick example, as you go down the WebTegrity website, down here at the bottom, you'll see that I have my most recent posts living here. January 7th is my most recent that lives here, and then here's some extras. What if I have one from in the past that I'd like to bring in the top? I want you to go into your post, go to all posts, scroll down in your list and find the exact one that you're thinking you need to have back up on the top or at the kind of sticky or stuck to the top. What you'll do is come here and click Quick Edit, open it up, and right here on the right side, this little checkbox that says Make Post Sticky, click Update. Now, if your theme author allowed this function to happen, which is a default WordPress function, you should be able to come back, click refresh on your blog post page and see that blog post highlighted at the top. You see all the rest of your posters still live there, but that one should basically stick to the top of your list. That's why they call it making it sticky. You can do that to as many as you'd like. Just remember which ones they are and note that it'll be tagged as sticky now. So you can come back whenever you don't want it there anymore, uncheck the box, click update, go back to the front side of your website, click refresh, and everything will be back to normal in the regular order. Hey, I hope this helps you. Stick around because every Monday I'm doing a Monday Marketing Minute just like this. Be sure to subscribe. See you next week. Bye, y'all.